So if you want to find out what you can expect from WSET Level 1 in Spirit course, you're in the right place. My name is Petar Veličković, I'm the co-founder and WSET educator in Wineway. Wineway is the only APP center in Macedonia where we offer WSET Level 1, 2 and 3 in wines and also WSET 1 and 2 in spirits. So you're in the right place. So let's begin. WSET Level 1 in Spirit course is a beginner course for people starting to learn about spirit, so you're probably at the beginning of your spirit or hospitality career, or you're a spirit enthusiast. This is a course that will start building your spirit knowledge foundation. WSET courses in general are a great way to learn not only about spirit but also about wine and sake in a systematic way. There's a clear progression of knowledge that you learn as you progress through WSET courses. In this program you'll get an overview about spirit production. We'll talk about raw material, fermentation, distillation and post-distillation. We will talk about main spirit categories like vodka, brandy, tequila, rum, whiskey, flavored spirit and liquors. But this will be in a fun and interactive way. You'll taste 10 different spirits and you'll start to develop your tasting skills using the systematic approach to tasting for spirits for level 1. We'll also talk about spirit storage and service, bar equipment, and about cocktail theory. So when you sign up for WSET Level 1 in Spirit, before you come to the actual course, there is no need for you to do any self-study. When you come to your first day of the course, then you will receive your WSET Level 1 in Spirit book. In Wineway, this program we deliver in English over 2 days, total of 6 hours. On the end of your second day, you will have your exam. Exam is 45 minutes long and it consists of 30 multiple choice questions. In order for you to be successful, you need to answer at least 70% of your questions correctly. And believe me, if you're really serious about learning about spirit and you just pay attention during your classes, you will be successful. When you finish this course, I'm sure you're gonna get your results quite quickly. You'll get your WSET Level 1 in Spirit certificate from London, you'll get your lapel pin, you'll have your knowledge and you will have more confidence to talk about spirits. My recommendation, as soon as you get your results, you're gonna use your CV and you're gonna put this course in your CV. As soon as your employers see that you finished this course, they're gonna know that you have a certain level of spirit knowledge, and this will give you advantage over other candidates. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope it was helpful for you. If you need more information about this course, please visit our webpage where you can actually download PDF specifications for WSET Level 1 in Spirit and also specifications and information about other WSET spirits, and you can also learn what we do in Wineway Center. Personal development is very important for myself. If you're watching this video, I'm sure it's very important for you as well. If you have any questions about wine, beverage, hospitality or sommelier business, please send me a message on email, social media, WhatsApp, Viber, and I'll make sure I give you the best possible advice. Thank you so much again for watching this video. Stay well and cheers.